Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I am at a rocket launch. Well, it's not an actual rocket launch, but it's a test. So, yeah, I'm here with my cousin Miles. He has a better quality video. Link in description, I guess. And it's about to start in like 3 or so minutes.
2.5 probably now.
Yeah, 2 minutes. It's like up there on the mountain. Once it starts, you'll be able to see it. It's gonna be just a giant dust cloud.
T-minus 2 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. It's like right above my finger, right there. So yeah. Just chilling under this umbrella and crap. So yeah.
T-minus 90 seconds.
30 seconds? 90. 90, oh.
Alright, T-minus 90 seconds.
90 seconds, people. I'm gonna get this tonight.
T-minus 80 seconds.
80 seconds.
Stand by to commit the motor.
T-minus 80 seconds. So,
80 seconds.
that block.
Control coordinator, stand by to commit the motor. Standing by.
Skip it forward a little bit, then.
60 seconds.
60 seconds. We got 1 minute.
Oh, listen.
Systems are recording.
That building right there.
Something's kicking off.
Ultrasonic data system is recording.
It's right there.
T-minus
60
50
seconds.
seconds.
50 seconds.
TVZ is go for static.
50 seconds left, guys.
T-minus 40 seconds.
40.
40 seconds!
Swear if they get
T-minus 30 seconds.
Man's umbrella. 30. Oh, dang.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
That's
Gosh, darn it. Darn diddly yarn. Holy crap. That is freaking insane. Oh, it's like rumbling my umbrella. Holy crap.
I can see the fire.
Yeah,
I can feel that. That is hot. Oh, it's look at that. Look at all that shape with that. Next thing you know, the shade is on your
So this is gonna go on for about a minute now, I guess. Look at that. Oh man, it's coming towards us. Oh, oh, it's not supposed to do that.
I think they had like a system or something, I don't know.
Let's hope not. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. Looks like it's cooling down now. This is insane.
Fires that started out in the fields.
Oh crap. The field started on fire.
Yeah, that was
Dang! That was pretty good. Oh yeah. I don't know what that was. Yeah, all the field started on fire. That's not good.
Look at the back of the mountain. I know.
Oh gosh!
there.
Dude! I'm Sam, get over here. You can't see it, but like right behind there somewhere.
See some of the fires, guys?
The field started on fire.
It did, Hugh.
Ow! Like all the way over there. Same right there.
Oh my!
It's all black. It's kind of just burning weeds, though. It doesn't really matter. Like these crappy thorns.
That was cool. Gosh, that was huge.
Dang.
Holy, that looks like just a monster storm.
Gosh.
Monster storm from, I don't know.
Well, I'll see you guys later. It's kind of just smoke now.
Enormous.
That was pretty cool.
That was nuts.
I'll put the one Miles recorded, Fun for Miles, in the description. And
That was really
yeah, I'll probably upload the one my brother recorded too.
big.
It'll be better quality. So yeah, that's about it. Kind of just a ton of smoke now. I'll see you guys later.